Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can disable or enable the hardware acceleration, or as it is called, graphics acceleration in the Opera browser really quickly. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, in the first step is open the Opera browser, of course, be it on your laptop or PC. And after that, access your browser settings. You can do that by pressing the shortcut Alt-P on your keyboard, or alternatively click on the Opera icon in the very top left corner of your home screen and select settings from that drop-down menu. Now inside your browser settings, what you want to do is head over to the browser section here to the left, and inside your browser section, scroll down a bit till you get to a feature or section called System. And below that, here at the uppermost feature, you will see Use Graphics Acceleration when available. So it's totally up to you guys. If you'd like to keep it on, simply make sure that it's switched on here to the right, or alternatively simply turn it off. And that's basically it. That's how we disable hardware acceleration Opera web browser really quickly. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.